Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily charge the LG XBOOM 360 XO3 speaker using your phone. So at first you have to prepare yourself a phone. For example, this RoleMe 14T that supports reverse charging. Apart from that, you have to prepare a cable that fits both into the speaker and both into your phone. Then you have to plug the cable straight into your phone and the USB Type-C cable finishment into your speaker. You have to, of course, find the charging port, which is here, and plug the USB Type-C cable straight into your charging port. And as you can see, our speaker is now charging. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.